Thank you everybody for being here. 谢谢大家来到今天。我知道有很多人从别的城市可能要过来嘛，可能就是谢谢你们。Today I'll speak first in English and some parts I'll also speak a bit in Chinese. Okay. My name is Joaquin. I've been already in crypto for 7 years, and I'll be speaking a bit the architecture of adoption. I think in Web3 right now we're in a situation, we're in a market that is changing completely, and I would really want. Okay, number one, I'll be talking about the wall, which is going to be something that we are facing right now, and number two, I'll be talking about the bridge. How can we actually solve this problem? And three, the compass. So the wall, right now, why Web3? I'm thinking hits a complexity ceiling. Right now, there's a lot of margins that are taking a lot of people, and 15 to 20% of commissions are suffocating merchants and users. Now, how can we actually make this better? I'm gonna be talking about the bridge. So we have a trapped wealth over $3 trillion in crypto assets that they cannot be spent in real life. So we need to check how can we make these two ships to become together. And lastly, in my opinion, this is the solution, how AI is guiding all the next wave of users by putting everything together in one app. So this is the wall, right? So Web3 today is a toolkit for experts. So from my opinion, we have built the internet, yes, but we forgot the browser. So what are the main things that we need to focus on? You can check a graph, for example, that is going straight about innovation, but on the other side, the user experience is a flat line. It hasn't changed for quite a long time. So we need to make something, we need to create something that grows at the same path as crypto is growing right now. So a lot of people, they tell me, I'm new to crypto, I don't like to manage private keys, I don't want to pay for gas. It's kind of a pain for a lot of people, right? So we need to make a D-app or an app that has everything together and is very easy for the person to go through crypto without any pain. Now, how does it work? Number one, as I just mentioned now, we have something which is the all-in-one interface, which is going to be an app that is not like the old apps that you need to have 10 apps in order to change money, or you need to move from one fragmented toolkit to another. Number two, something that is real-world utility, something that you use every day. For example, payments through stablecoins, USDC, USDT, USD1, and major blockchains. And we need to connect it with an AI co-pilot that can actually help you to solve everyday tasks. For example, let's say I want to book a hotel and I don't want to change crypto, USDT, for example, into dollars. Well, what about an AI and a platform that helps you to do everything together? Now, here I have a graph on the left side, which is the US Web3 market. This is from 2020 till 2030. As you can see, is growing around 50% every year. And on the other side, we're seeing the monthly stablecoin transfer volume. You can see that in this case, the transaction of stablecoins is increasing by 148% in 2024. So what we can see here is that a lot of people, they're actually using crypto to pay. They're using crypto quite a lot lately, and moreover, we're seeing a lot of people that they're using transactions. But there's something that we haven't seen, and this is the real life problems or tasks that we see in crypto. So if we imagine something, an app, that can be useful for everybody in real life, let's say I'm gonna get a cab, or I need to take a taxi, everything could be done with crypto. Now, this part is when the AI copilot enters into place, right? Instead of just trying to pay for gas or something, there's gonna be an AI that tells you, this transaction looks suspicious, might be a scam. So there's a red flag. Would you like to review it? That would be something that AI could do in the future. Another thing, for example, in order to buy this NFT, you need to have some gas fees as well. Do you want me to do it for you? Yes, perfect. Another one, based on your activity on GameFi, I'm going to introduce you 3 new games that could be easy, that could be nice for you. Do you want the AI to do it? Yes. And last but not least, you have here, your portfolio is up 15%. And all this could be done automatically by the AI. Lastly, before we introduce what I believe is going to be a really game-changing app, I want to say that we're not building smarter wallets. We're trying to build smarter people, smarter users. So the future, from our case, is context aware. You need to know that everything could be done very smoothly only in one app. And this is where Umai takes place. So Umai is a consumer app that just got the license, travel license in Hong Kong. And it's the first one that got it for crypto. What are we doing right now? We are a Web3 consumer platform that we're also integrating AI. So just imagine for a second that you're just sitting at home and you need to book a hotel, you need to book a ticket, and everything is in one platform that is already licensed in Hong Kong. 我们是香港的第一家获牌 Web3 的旅行公司。So for us, it's very important that everybody trusts Umai. It's very important that we have a lot of people, and currently we have not only exchanges, but also we have a B2C part with more than 100,000 people that they trust Umai. So here I'm going to give you just a little overview about the crypto market size. From 2025, which is where we are right now, the crypto asset value is around $3.5 trillion, right? By 2028, is expected to reach 5 trillion. Now, if we check the traditional OTA overview, in 2024, we've seen that the global travel spending has been 11.3 trillion. So we're seeing that there's a lot of opportunities into crypto. The problem is a lot of people, they just don't trust it, or they just don't know how to connect the traditional market with the crypto market, right? We're also seeing that the crypto users are expected to be 1.3 billion, which is a lot. And the market value of the ATA market is 500 billion. Now, this is our app, and it's fine. You can just check it out. You can download it. You will see that everything is in only one app. So here, for example, these are the products that we have right now live. You can book hotels. You can book some flights. You can book a luxury hotel, which is five-star hotel. You also have a wallet, so you can receive money and also send money and connect the wallet, any wallet that you have. We also have a chauffeur, gift card, and something very important is that all of us were into Web3. Every time that there's a new conference, we like to travel. We like to go to Hong Kong. We like to go to Singapore. Now, in Umai, you will have everything here as well. So you can just talk to the AI and say, hey, I'm going to Singapore for token 2049. Can Umai help me to book a hotel and to book the flights? Well, yes, everything can be done in only one app, which is Umai. And this is where the next part takes in, which is the AI part. So, just give me a second. Here. Let's just say you want to attend, as I said, token 2049 in Singapore. What are you going to do? You just talk to the AI, and then you just say, in this case, I want to get, my budget is $200 to $300 per night. I'll be staying there for like 5 days. Can you please give me a budget? Can you please show me how much it's going to be costing? Then what does the AI do? The AI is, according to your references, to your requirements, is going to check, well, I'm going to give my client, in this case, something suitable. So it's a one-click full travel plan. You just click once, and then you will be able to connect your wallet and pay. You don't have to exit the app and go back and forth. It's going to be very easy. We also have personalized options. As I mentioned, economy, business, luxury, everything depending on your requirements. We're doing especially B2B cases. Let's say you have a company of 20 people, we will do everything for you as well. 24/7 service for everybody. And also we have a real-time integration of Web3 events and industry. Right now, we're already preparing, for example, for Korea. In November, we're going to have an event in the Jeju Island, and everything is going to be done and updated into Umai. So what is the business model? A lot of people, you might ask, what are you guys doing? Our business model consists not only of B2C, consumer, but also B2B, enterprise. In orders of the B2C, the consumer right now, as I mentioned, we have more than 100,000 users and 12,000 daily active users. So you can be booking flights and hotels via the wallet. Our revenue model is that you get a margin and commission. Our prices are very, very low prices. You will be able to compare prices with Web2 platforms. You will see that our prices are very, very low. And we also have the luxury travel that I just mentioned. Now, for the B2B enterprise, we have travel solutions as well for a lot of, as I mentioned, a lot of centralized exchanges that are already using Umai because it's very easy for them. They just tell us the requirements and we just help them. The revenue is usually 6 to 8%, the service fee. And we provide them with one-stop services. Everything is in one package. Now, what else do we have? We have a Web3 enterprise expansion that is happening right now as we speak, where we're enabling traditional internet businesses to enter the Web3. And last but not least, something very important, which is the traffic and AI monetization. So we're converting this Web3 lifestyle traffic into revenue. Last but not least, we have the AI agent, which are subscriptions and usage-based billing, and extra income as well for cross-change fees and liquidity yield. And this is everything from my side. Before you leave, you can scan this QR code, and we have prepared something very special for everybody that is listening. We have $100 coupon just for you guys to enjoy Umai. And also one more thing, everybody that today subscribes to Umai, they're going to be receiving a diamond card. I'll say it right now in Chinese. 大家现在可以扫一下这个二维码，我们今天准备的是$100的优惠券。然后呢，我们的 CEO 今天也会在站台那边。然后今天注册的人，我们会送给他们一个白金卡。它这个白金卡是什么意思呢？它就是你们下单的时候订酒店或者订机票，会给你们一个折扣。目前是6%的折扣，所以谢谢大家。